graduated with are now homeless, which puts them in mad shady situations with mad shady people, if not every day, then on an every other day basis. She is probably with a few of them right now. They are probably just drinking and talking about how she misses getting fucked up and hanging around. And he says, hey, you're good at that. She says, thanks, it's kind of all I've got. But then she looks away and says, it's also all I need. And I can smell plastic burning, I can smell chemicals breaking down. I got your last 3 emails, the ones where you said I was sorting some things out. And she will be able to hear your dog whistle from his bedroom. Like a Morse code explanation, though only nothing. Take all night to figure out. Everything I need is alright.